Hey guys, my name is Alyssa Seidel and I'm here to show you guys how I do subtractive mark making. I first start my subtractive mark making drawing by first covering the paper with charcoal. This layer needs to be thick and unblended so when I erase later there will be an array of light and dark tones. So next I will take my eraser, I want that up there. I will take some of my kneaded eraser and I'll kind of shape it a little bit so it's a little bit more narrow. And I will create the general shape of my subject. I'm going to choose an apple because that's just simple. So I'm going to just start drawing. Okay, so as you can see, I push a lot harder to make the highlighted areas with this eraser. To make the darker areas, I'm a lot lighter touch, such as this side where the light isn't coming in, the light's coming in from this side, so I'm pushing harder over here. Okay, so as you can see, I got a little carried away right here. So I'm just going to take my little vine charcoal and revise that just a little bit because I got a little too carried away with my eraser.